Hi guys, today I'm going to ask you just 3 questions about the tallest mountain in the world, Mauna Kea in Hawaii. Now, if you know the answer of these 3 questions, you know a lot. You know some things about Mauna Kea, at least some of the main things. And as you know, let me start asking these 3 questions. Okay. Remember, Mauna Kea is not only the tallest volcano but also the tallest mountain. When the base, you count from the base to above. But if you only count the above the water, then it's not as high as Mount Everest. Okay. Question number 1. How tall is Mauna Kea? A. 30,000 feet. B. 32,000 feet. C. 27,000 feet. I'm giving you time of 10 seconds to say the right answer. The timer begins. Did you get it right? Let's see. A is 30,000 feet. No. C is also wrong. The correct answer is B. See? The correct answer is B. Okay. Question number 2. When was Mauna Kea's last eruption? A. 130,000 years ago. B. 125,000 years ago. C. 133,000 years ago. You got 10 seconds. If you chose A, you're correct. B and C, wrong. Okay, here's our last question. Let's see if you know this one. Question 3. Mauna Kea is a dash volcano. Tell me, what type of volcano is it? A. Alive. It can erupt at any time. B. Dormant. Scientists don't know if it is extinct, but it has a very small chance of erupting. Very small. So Mauna Kea is unalive or dormant and extinct. The volcanoes that scientists know they will not explode, even they won't expect it, and they know they don't have to expect it. So you got 10 seconds to say the right answer: alive, dormant, and extinct. Okay, did you get the right answer? Well, let's see. Alive. Yeah. No, it's not true. Mauna Kea is not a live volcano. Extinct. Nah. No, there is no such extinct volcano in Hawaii. Dormant is the correct option. Mauna Kea is a dormant volcano. So thank you for this short quiz. Now, if you got all 3 questions right, you know some of the main things about Mauna Kea, biggest volcano in Hawaii. If you got 2, yeah, you're right on some. Just, you're smart. Yeah, you're smart. No, you're interested in volcanoes. But you're more interested in volcanoes if you got all 3 right. Only one, you've got to get interested, because with just 1 correct and 0. Sorry. Yeah, it's not your lucky day. I don't even believe in luck. Okay, never mind. So to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this short quiz of about 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye.